Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another live session. My name is Elisha Jacobs. I am the CEO and founder of Innovategy Solutions. I am also an IT strategist with the mission to help small businesses and entrepreneurs leverage the power of technology through strategic IT roadmaps and also building IT infrastructures for small businesses. So, I'm super excited to be here today, sharing and giving you some information on the three reasons why your business needs to have an IT strategy. And as we would have wrapped up January, we're already into the second month of 2022. I want to really talk about the importance of you having an IT strategy for your business. Despite if your business is small, you're just starting out, I want to give you the information as to the importance of you considering having a crafted or a dedicated IT strategy aligned with your business goals and objectives. So our agenda today is more or less for you to understand, first, to know what an IT strategy is and understand the true reasons why your business needs to have an IT strategy. And then I'm going to share how you can go about getting an IT strategy. So I'm just checking the tech to ensure everything is everything. And we are going to begin in a few minutes. All right. Okay, so for those who are new to any one of my platforms, allow me to give you a little background as to who I am. I have been in the IT industry for over 16 years as an IT specialist. I am also not only an IT specialist by profession, but also certification and all of that. I'm also the CEO and founder of Innovategy Solutions. I am an IT strategist, and my primary focus or my zone of genius is creating IT strategies or IT roadmaps aligned with business goals and objectives, and also building IT infrastructures for companies or businesses. I am also an advocate for Black women. Going into entrepreneurship and building legacies that are sustainable and that would be lasting generations. And so today I really want to talk about the importance of having an IT strategy in your business. The first thing that you need to understand, what is an IT strategy, and then I'm going to share with you the three reasons why you need to have an IT strategy in your business. Whether you're a small business, whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you're medium size, and you have not intentionally or you have never created or have a specialist or a IT strategist create an IT strategy for your business, now is the time. I'm going to give you all the information that is necessary for you to start thinking on the importance of having that IT strategy. Also, I just want to share with you that tomorrow we're going to be having our lunch and learn for the month of February. This lunch and learn is about protecting your business data. A part of having your IT strategy is focusing on security, and security plays an important role when it comes to a lot of online businesses. And a lot of online businesses, whether you're small business, entrepreneur, whatever your level of business is, we tend not to take security seriously, especially when it comes to our data or the information that we have as business owners, or even if we are service providers or a product-based business. How you secure your information, how you access your information is very important. And so in that lunch and learn tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be sharing 6 strategies on how you can effectively start protecting your business data, and you should be able to identify the threats both internally and externally and how you can overcome those by implementing simple steps. So to get access to that webinar, so you can register. I'm going to drop it in the comments, and I'm going to also pin it so you can register for that session, and you get all the necessary information that is needed for you to start not only leveraging technology, but also protecting your company's information from internal as well as external threats. All right. So the link for that Lunch and Learn webinar is inside of the comments. If you're viewing this on the replay, it's going to be above this video, or it's also going to be pinned inside of the comments. So let us begin with our session today. 3 reasons why your business needs an IT strategy. Now, an IT strategy is just as important as your business strategy, and that's something that you first need to understand. Having an IT strategy is very important, as if you're having a business strategy. So I really want to give you a little backdrop as to the importance of having that IT strategy, but I want to define what an IT strategy is, because a lot of persons, whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, whichever platform you're tuning in from, you hear me keep saying that having an IT strategy is important, but a lot of persons don't understand what is an IT strategy. So an IT strategy is an integral part of your business strategy, and the reason why IT has become so fundamental is because we're living in a digital age. And because we're living in a digital age, and with the emergence of the pandemic in 2020, we find that technology played an important role in businesses, in small businesses, having a competitive advantage, but not only having a competitive advantage, but remaining open to do business not only in a local or a physical location, but also in the digital world or online. So the business model, the traditional business model, has changed, where they saw IT as a functional department. Now businesses have let's say technology in the whole has revolutionized the traditional business model, and now has placed IT as an integral part, or an IT strategy as an integral part of your business strategy. So an IT strategy is an integral role of your business strategy that aims to align technology and operations with your business goals. Basically, you have a roadmap, or you have a guideline on how you can strategically align your tech capabilities with your business goals and objectives. It's a clearly set of goals and objectives for how technologies will be implemented, how they're going to be used, and how technology strategies can support your key business activities or your key business objectives. And what you find, a lot of online business owners, a lot of small business owners do not consider having an IT strategy as important, because they think that the business strategy is there. Again, like I said, technology has revolutionized a lot of industries. We're seeing that, and what we're seeing is just a small step into the technological age, more or less. But one of the things that you need to understand, the business model has changed. What the business strategy is actually being on the foundation of an IT strategy. So they go hand in hand. All right. So it's important for you as a business owner to have an IT strategy that is clear on how technology is going to support your business goals as well as objectives. Now, one of the things that a lot of persons get carried away with, yes, you do go out and you get the strategy, but one of the key things that we tend to forget is making sure that it's efficiently implemented and able to evolve equally, meaning that we're able to measure it and we're also seeing the growth. A lot of businesses who would have taken time to get an IT strategy implemented at every functional level in their business They were able to remain competitive in their marketplace, and they were also able to shift and move with the tides of the market. And they also recognize the importance of having a digitally transformed business. So I'm going to share with you three reasons why your business needs an IT strategy. Now, an IT strategy assures you that you're leveraging technology to its fullest. Everybody knows that I'm always saying we are leveraging Innovategy Solutions. I'm encouraging quite a lot of businesses. My mission is to help small business owners and entrepreneurs leverage the power of technology. And your IT strategy actually assures you that you are leveraging technology to its fullest. Some of us are leveraging technology at a minimal level, and we're not really honing in on the full potential of technology and how it can digitally transform our businesses. It can digitally transform our processes. So, for example, you might be leveraging technology in the way of having subscriptions as services, such as email marketing software, such as a CRM, such as the software that you use, let's say Google Space or Google Workspace, sorry, and you're using different services online that are cloud based. So that is one small aspect or minimal aspect. The other aspect of technology that you might be using is how you communicate with your team, how you communicate with your employees, maybe through Slack, maybe through a different types of software or communication methods. Those are just some of the ways in which you can leverage technology to its fullest. And like I always tell clients, and like I always tell my communities, technology is much more than the subscriptions as services that you are using. There is a vast landscape when it comes to technology and how you effectively implement it into your business. All right. Now, we love to automate, we love to put everything on autopilot. Again, that is just a small portion of your IT strategy. IT strategy has three fundamental foundations or principles that actually makes up an entire IT strategy. And I do share that with my clients when they do come to us to get a aligned or a strategic IT roadmap. All right. Now, the objective of your IT strategy is to make IT proactive and not reactive, meaning once you have an IT strategy in place, it establishes itself as a contributor to your business plan rather than reacting to your business plan. So what that means, it's simply telling you that once you implement technology, your IT strategy efficiently, and you're leveraging the power of technology to its fullest, you are using the technology that is available to you in this time to achieve your business objectives. See technology as a contributing factor to your business growth. There was a saying I saw, I think it was yesterday, when they said, see technology as a critical business component. We need to start viewing technology as a critical business component that will allow us to achieve our business goals. All right? So that is the first reason why you need to have a IT strategy. So an IT strategy assures you that you're leveraging technology to its fullest, whether it's from a security standpoint, whether it's from a software standpoint, whether it's from the hardware standpoint or your devices, whatever your business needs are, technology should play an important role in you achieving those objectives. All right. So the second reason is that an IT strategy gives you a differentiator to your competitors. Quite a lot of businesses are not leveraging technology. They don't have an IT strategy in place. If they do have an IT strategy, again, it's not proactive. They're not leveraging the power of technology. So a critical element of an IT strategy is that it must be valued by both value both to the core technology team and the business in general. So I'm speaking towards those who have a team. You may have a VA. You may be working with contractors for certain projects in your business. You may have a full-time team, members like an assistant, graphic designer, whatever your team is. One of the things that you need to ensure is that once it's implemented, the strategy must be clearly aligned with how your organization will operate. And everybody who's in your organization must be trained in order for that IT strategy to be effective. Now, it's always said and it's proven, there are many reports out there, that the businesses that implement an IT strategy will always have a competitive advantage because they understand there is a demand in the marketplace for businesses to be digitally transformed. There is a demand. And I always think back to when the pandemic began in 2020. A lot of businesses were not digitally transformed. They were not technology ready. So a lot of them weren't prepared to handle the demand of their clientele, of their customers, because they did not have technology or an IT strategy in place. And that is what is going to differentiate you from your competitors. Your competitors might be slow to implementing. Your competitors might be slow to understanding that the consumption of how technology is being effective or how it's allowing customers from any part of the world in different locations to access services and products. They will be slow to implement. But you as a small business owner, you as an entrepreneur, you're getting that information and understanding that, listen, in order for us to remain competitive in the marketplace, in order for us to be efficient and effective with the delivery of our products and services, whether the market shifts or the tides shift or move, we are able to take advantage of demand because we have an IT strategy in place. We're always monitoring our IT strategy. We're always optimizing for performance. So if there is a demand for our products and services, we are able to respond to the market. Right? So the second reason is an IT strategy gives you a differentiator or give you that competitive advantage in the marketplace. The third but not final reason why an IT strategy is important for your business is that an IT strategy assures you're meeting and driving your business needs. By going through the processes of developing an IT strategy, businesses will have a clear understanding of the current state of IT from not only a financial management perspective, but they will also have an understanding of current technology capabilities, and they also have a clear roadmap for implementation. This is where you're actually creating awareness of the gaps in your business and the areas that you need to consider to implement a tech strategy. A lot of businesses see IT investment as huge, and it is. But I always tell clients and I always tell my communities, I would rather invest in a strategic IT roadmap that would set me up and safeguard my position in the marketplace rather than overthinking it. Because I've seen this in even the corporate setting. A lot of corporations, they tend to lag. Some see the importance of technology and they respond and they're always abreast of the updated technology capabilities. Others, they kind of slow to implementation, and when something happens, then they're stressing the IT department because the IT department did tell them that this will happen, or we need to prevent or mitigate for this particular outcome or this risk. And a lot of times I've been in that position where you recommend something and, it's put on the back burner. But my advice to you as a small business owner and as an entrepreneur, you need to understand the importance of having an IT investment in your business. If you are not an IT person, you need to hire an IT strategist or an IT specialist to help you craft an aligned strategy that speaks to your business goals and objectives. Okay? So, putting your IT strategy in place is very important. That is the first step in strategic planning in your business. I know a lot of us are still in the planning stages of this year. I know a lot of us are trying to work out the kinks. We're reviewing what happened in the last 31 days, what happened last year. We're still trying to bring that information together. But one of the first step in your strategic planning process is to understand your current state and your immediate needs. And then is when you are going to actually start considering how technology capabilities can support your business goals and objectives. And I do take my clients through really understanding the IT strategy, giving them the breakdown of the components that is needed, and there is never a one size fits all IT strategy. Please know this. There is never a one size fits all IT strategy. Every business have different goals, different objectives, and different needs. And this is why we sit down with different clients. We sit down with our clients and we really assess your business. We assess your current state. We assess what are your needs. What are your needs now? We also look at your financial obligations and also crafting a roadmap for implementation to support your current needs, your current goals and objectives. This is why I said there is no IT strategy that's a one size fit all. All right. So it's hard to assess your own business. This is why it's very important that you outsource your IT work, so you can get additional eyes on your business, but also persons who are experts in that field to be able to help you to align those technology capabilities with your business, so you can build and grow a sustainable business in the marketplace. Right? So just for a brief recap, we looked at the 3 reasons why your business needs an IT strategy. And we defined an IT strategy as an integral part of your business strategy with the aim of aligning technology and operations with your business goals. We also looked at your 3 reasons why you need to have implement an IT strategy. It allows you, or it assures you, that you're leveraging technology to its fullest, that you are creating a competitive advantage in the marketplace, and also you are meeting and driving your business needs internally and also externally, how you support your customers, how you support your clients. Okay. So that is it for today's live stream. I hope that this information was helpful to you. If you find that it was helpful, please share this out to as many persons as you will know that the information will be beneficial to you. If you want to learn more about implementing an IT strategy in your business, you need to have you want to create an IT strategy for your business, you can reach out to us by going to www.innovategsolutions.com. And you can go under our services menu and you can have a listing of how we can support and partner with you to start leveraging the power of technology. So I hope that this information was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. You can reach out to us and we will be happy to assist and support you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys back in the next live stream. Bye.